Hi guys, welcome back. I know it's been a few days since you guys have seen any videos from me, but I've just been busy trying to get this house tour going. I've been decorating for the fall, and you know how that is, where you do one thing and then you don't like it, you have to keep changing it, and you get tired and you have to put it off for the next day. So that's what I've been doing, and I've been trying to think of some ideas to share with you guys. I just want to come on today and just give you guys a quick DIY project that I'm doing. It's involving pumpkins, and what I'm going to be using are some foam, two foam orange pumpkins, spray paint, some glass that you have to break up. Let me see, glue gun, of course, glue sticks. Oh, one more thing. Now this is optional if you want to do this. I chose to use some glitter, some silver glitter that I'm going to be sprinkling around on top of the pumpkins. So I hope that you guys will like this DIY. This is my very first time. This is more like a mosaic type of DIY using these pumpkins, and I have never done it before. I've always been a little afraid and nervous to even try it, so I'm gonna give it a try. So you guys enjoy the video, and thank you for tuning back in. If you're new to the channel, welcome, 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 and thank you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later in my next video. So you guys enjoy this video. Bye.